everyone, welcome back to our video series. Previously on part 1, we introduced the phonics sounds and built some simple 3-letter words. The goal was to help your child become sound aware through some games and activities as you see in the pictures. So let's move on to reading. So to introduce reading, I have some matching pictures and word cards. So we will encourage the child to sound the individual letters first and then read all the sounds together to make up the word. Here is a short demo.
Hello there. I have my kindergarten friend once again to help us with the demo. Hello Deepak.
Hello.
So Deepak, here I have some cards with words on them. I like you to open it one at a time and try to read the word. So let's try one. Okay, let's read the sounds. One more time. How to read them together? Very good. Let's try one more card. Read the sounds. Slowly. Now let's read all the sounds together. Very good. So in this way, we try to read all the words and then we introduce the matching pictures. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to shuffle up the cards a bit. And then introduce the picture card. So Deepak, can you come back here again? So Deepak, I'd like you to try to read the word and match it to the correct picture, okay? So let's try one of the cards. Okay, let's read the sounds first. One more time. How to read them together?
Web.
Which one is the web? Very good. Let's try another card. Keep it here. Okay, let's read the sounds. Together.
Cut.
Which one is cut? Okay, let's try one last word. Let's read the sounds. Together.
Pod.
Which one is the pod? The pea pod. Very good. Thank you, Deepak. In this way, we continue to read the words and match it to the correct picture. Now, we have to repeat the same set of words and picture cards for a few days until the child is confident. Sometimes their pronunciation might not be good, but the pictures will help them to identify the word and pronounce it correctly. So once the child is confident of reading these words, we can move on to the next level.
We step up the reading by giving a list of 3-letter words, usually of the same vowel for practice. Now repeat the same set of words for a few days before you try another list with a different vowel. Now you should encourage your child to sound the individual letters and then to read the word. Soon you will see the child will become confident in reading the words and will read it much faster. Now this would be a good time to introduce sight words. Sight words are best learnt when the words are in sight. So paste a set of sight words on a board or a wall and help your child practice them every day for a few minutes. Soon your child will know the words by sight. We extend the reading list to short phrases. Now this will include a mixture of sight words and simple 3-letter words. Now here our goal is to give an experience to the child on how a sentence might look like and how to read such a sentence and make sense of it. So repeat the same set of phrases for a few days to build your child's reading abilities. It is time to play a game of point and read. So when you read a storybook to your child, point some sight words or simple three-letter words and ask your child to read instead. Your child will have plenty of fun reading the book along with you. After all these reading exercises, we introduce simple passages to your child. These passages have a mixture of sight words and three-letter words of different vowels. So here we introduce a sentence structure with full stop and some capital letters. So we are giving your child an experience of reading a short story. This will definitely boost the confidence of your child. As I've said in part 1, repetition is key for small children. So repeat the same set of words, phrases and passages and shuffle the exercises around and reread another week to build your child's confidence. So continue to encourage your child to write in a 3-line notebook. It does not matter if the letters are not well formed. Just encourage your child and reward him or her with a big star. So we have introduced reading to your child through a lot of activities, and you can be sure that your child is becoming a confident reader. So see you all in the next part of our video series.